Hey Taurus, Trishna here. Welcome to your December 2018 reading. What I'm feeling for you guys for this month is I know that for the past few months you've been feeling quite stressed. I think in October you guys are feeling really stressed and you're trying to keep it together, but you weren't really able to do that completely, and you were just you're trying to not show your stress to other people because you're trying to convince yourself that you weren't as stressed as you were, that you could handle it all. And then I think last month in November, things were getting better. You were starting to handle it better. I think you were giving more attention to the people in your life and the other activities. And I feel like in December, you're kind of in between the two. So you're still really trying to manage your stress. You're not as bad as it was in October, and you're not doing as well as you were in November. You're just kind of trying to handle it, trying to keep it together. And I would say that that's actually a good thing. The fact that you are really trying to manage your stress, I think is really good, that you're trying to manage your schedule and all the things that you have to do. Because in October, I don't think you guys were really aware of that. I think you were just trying to keep it together and not really trying to manage it. So I feel like you guys are really on the right track, even though it might not feel that way. And I think that in December, it's going to feel a little bit more overwhelming because December is just that month when there's a lot of holidays going on, a lot of having to buy gifts, a lot of having to spend time with family, having to deal with family drama and all of that fun stuff. And so it can feel like you're trying to manage your stress, and then there's just so much more that's being piled on top of you just because it's December, it's the holiday season. And the guidance that I get for you is that really take this as a gift, because it really is a gift. And I think that you will be able to accept the holidays as a gift, because the holidays are a time when you really don't have the ability to work. You don't have the ability to move forward. And that's because if you have a business, clients are on holidays as well. They're off spending time with their families. You probably don't have a lot of things that you need to deal with unless it is more self-imposed. Like maybe you created some kind of shipment that you need to deal with and you're going to have to process orders. But overall, usually the holidays is a time when, if you have your own business, it is a time when things can slow down if you allow them to, because you don't have as many demands right now, other than the ones that you place on yourself, which is your choice. So the holidays does not have to be the holidays is a time when you can relax and you should relax. And then if you are working in the corporate world, things are winding down, because if you're working with clients in that case, they're winding down as well. Things are just a lot slower. Things just really aren't moving forward unless you happen to be in a certain kind of like more retail oriented type of corporation, I guess. But even then, if you're on the corporate side of things, things are just really slow. So this is the time when things are forcing you to slow down, and that is a gift. And spending time with your family, I think, is going to be an even greater gift, because not only will you be giving to them, you will also be giving to yourself through them, because you haven't really been able to spend time with them, and you haven't really been able to spend time with yourself. And in the holiday season, you're going to be forced to do both, but I think it won't feel like you're forced to do that. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's like there's nothing that you can do, so you are allowed to relax, if that makes any sense. Like the rest of the year, there's always work to be done. And so you're always wanting to work because it never ends. But when it comes to the holidays, it's almost like there's nothing for you to do. Like you can't move even if you wanted to, and so you're forced to relax. And when you know that you can't do anything, there's nothing you can do, that allows you to feel like, yes, I can relax. Like it's different, because when there's no way for you to work, you can truly relax. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So that's really the guidance that I get for you, is really take this time as a gift, really enjoy this time off. Things are slowing down. This is your time to relax, so take it. I know you want to, and I think you're going to. This is just a reminder for you to do that. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.